Hi, I'm Michael Buckthought, Senior Project Manager at Capital Group.
I'm Shane O'Keefe, Senior Construction Manager for Scape.
So we're here today to introduce you to the new Scape development in Leicester Street, Carlton. This is the first student accommodation building for Capital Group, but one of many for Scape. It's just in the heart of the city, a stone throw away from Melbourne University, and comprises of 300 student accommodation beds and a mixture of common spaces.
This is Scape's 6th purpose-built building in the city of Melbourne. This is in Carlton. This is in a great location. There's a brand new railway station that's about to be opened up called Parkville, which is around about a 6-minute walk from here. We're directly opposite the law building, and we're within a 2 or 3 minute walk from the medical centre. So this is a fantastic location for the precinct of Melbourne University.
There's 300 beds to this development and they're across 14 floors. In addition to that, there's a number of different common spaces. So there's laundry, games room, landscape areas, and some communal study spaces. We started the project back in about October 2022 and we finished in May 2024. It was circa 13 months from bottom out to PC.
With any of these purpose-built student accommodation buildings, it's imperative that we actually deliver these on time. Now, there are 2 intakes each year. That's the January intake and the June intake. So for this building, finishing in May, that makes this building perfect for the June intake. I think the importance of building with pod bathrooms is the smallest room in every single building is your bathroom. It has multiple trades in there, and if you can do that off-site, that means when you come to site, you have a fairly defect-free product that is ready to be used.
What it also does is it reduces the amount of materials and people required on the project for delivery. What Capital Group had to do to make sure this was effective was actually fully model the pod and its pathway into the building to ensure it fit and effectively fit into position and was complete. How it helped Capital Group is the reduction in labour and reduction in materials. On a tight site, that's quite important. In addition to that, to make sure it was a really effective process, what Capital Group had to do was utilise the 3D modelling to demonstrate the pods coming in from the crane onto the loading bay and through the floor plate into position to make sure there was no clashes.
Like any project, we're always trying to fit a budget. And one of the things we did value manage on this project was the overall envelope of the building. We looked at the way that the building was structured, and Capital came up with a fantastic solution to value manage the exterior of the building and produce a very, very similar looking product.
During this VM process, Capital Group have a very extensive in-house team through 3D modelling at design, facade, structure specialists. So we utilised that to provide some good options for Scape to take up pre-contract award. Further to that, obviously we used that team during the design phase as well, and that allowed us to do the same process through the communal spaces.
Each new building is designed from the inside out. We take what the resident wants and we move that forward with our new designs. Each of our buildings have slightly different versions of what we've done on the last one to aim to constantly improve. This building here, we've actually got balconies on our bedrooms and we've also got larger rooms. This building has a mixture of different room types. We've got studios with balconies, we've got studios as in 2-bedroom apartments, single-bedroom apartments, large, medium and small type of apartments, all with different facing views for different price points. We use our in-house design team to come up with the best solution for the residents in the small spaces that are here.